Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Audi Q8. The Audi Q8 was built to stand out in a crowd, and it sure does. An aesthetically pleasing exterior, plenty of bells and whistles on the interior, and performance that makes you smile. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights. Come take a test drive today.